Hey foodies! In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make this delicious chicken peri peri. Without wasting your time, let's get straight into the video. For this chicken peri peri recipe, I'm going to be using some bell pepper, some garlic, ginger, onions, chili pepper, some scotch bonnet for extra heat, some lemon, dry coriander, some black paprika, seasoning cubes, paprika, salt, olive oil, and vinegar. Last but not the least, I'm going to be using whole soft chicken. Chicken peri peri is one of the easiest meat to make. All you need to do is just to blend all your ingredients together in a blender. You can use your processor if you have one, but I prefer using a blender because I want the ingredients to be very smooth. After blending all your ingredients, your sauce should look like this. It is not too thick and it is not too light. Then you're just going to rub everything into your chicken. Make sure you rub it very well. And before we continue this video, guys, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel by clicking the red subscribe button on your screen. Please subscribe to the channel, share to your family and friends, and thank you. After I finish rubbing the sauce into the chicken, I'm just going to cover with cling film and keep in the fridge to marinate for at least 2 hours. Next, I'm just going to turn the remaining sauce into a jar and put in the fridge for use later. After 2 hours, I'm just going to put the chicken into the oven and cook for 30 minutes on 200 degrees Celsius. After 30 minutes, I'm just going to rub in more sauce to the chicken. I'll cook again for 15 minutes in the oven and then your chicken is ready. Guys, this peri peri tastes delicious. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.